Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, guys, the last video will be in here. And today is Monday. Look at that red candle which is happening here. It's pushing the price down, guys. And that's what me I told you in 30 minutes and in the 4 hours. If you remember what me I told you, guys, I told you also we are in a very, very stronger supply and demand zone. And that's what it's indicating to us here, guys. And look, even the volume down, it's showing a big rejection. But guys, that candle here, what it representing? It represent the Monday candle, guys. Yes or no? So now either the candle is going to continue to fall down and is going to break for us that supply and demand zone we got down here, or from here is going to go up to break upper, guys. But I don't think so it's going to break upper, because the people who are holding the Bitcoin don't fall down here is only the retail traders, big whales. They want the Bitcoin to fall down to 10k, guys. The only people who buy in here is only retail traders, guys. Everything is too clear. And here in the daily, guys, what else we said? Here in the daily, also we said if it doesn't break for us here, we are not going to enter, guys. Yes or no? And what it's showing here, it came here, then now it show a rejection. So here in daily, it's still very, very, very early for you to think of to enter, guys. Now you need to make a close eye at that level we got down here. If it's going to hold or it's going to be broken, guys. And I told you those things thousands of times. If it's that the last defense we got us, if it's being broken, you're going to see the Bitcoin down at 10k, guys. So for long-term investors, just they say and do right in money management. I told you me last time I bought from here, from that zone here, and I got another buy order at 15k. That's for the people they want to follow me, and another buy at 12k, guys. That's how me divide it. So if you want to follow me, you can do it. If you want to do it your way, you can do it. Or you can DCA. If you want just a DCA or dollar cost averaging, it's going to be very, very good strategy for you. You don't know where is the bottom, guys. Everything is too clear here. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber, my friend? Yes, I'm talking to you. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, guys, we put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very, very, very well updated about what the crypto market doing. Or you can join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, guys. So like that, when we put in something new, you're going to be notified more quicker in Telegram than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. Now let's see our indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, is the same thing like the chart. He came here, he touched here, that downtrend also been following from 2021, and as you see it, guys, it's showing here a rejection. But now it doesn't break down, guys. It's still here. So it might from here, it will going up and break it. So here in the daily, guys, it's still very, very early for us. And now we are in a level where there is no buyers controlling, no sellers controlling, guys. Both of them, they are equal now. Everything is too clear. And I'm going to come back to update you, guys, after the daily candle finished. So let's go in now to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here in the 4 hours, guys, what else we said here, if you remember. What else we said here at that level here, and the last video will be in here at that candle here. What me I told you? I told you there is a correction going to happen. Yes or no? And I told you if you are conservative, more conservative, you wait in the 30 minutes, then you enter long. Yes or no? And in 30 minutes, we give you to enter from here, guys. Now here, what that candle showing here. That one which is going now, guys. What it's showing? Let's zoom it a little bit. As you see it, guys. It's showing a rejection from down. The first one, as you see it, that one, it came here, it showed a rejection, then it came that green candle, then even that one, it's showing a rejection from down. Yes or no? So should you buy here? Here in the 4 hours, guys? Not yet. Look here, what you seeing? That white one here, that one is the top of that triangle as we show you before us. Yes or no, guys? Now look what here happening. It came till here, till that zone here. Then now he go back to test it again. Then now for us to be sure that one is a real breakout, not a fake breakout, guys, it's need to come and to break for us that last high, which is here. Yes or no? If it came just here and he couldn't break it and give you here a double top, that indicating for you the Bitcoin is going to fall down, yes or no? So here in the 4 hours, guys, there is nothing confirmed. And us people, they've been following us what us we said. We enter from here, exactly from here. I'm going to show it to you. We enter from here. And here I told you take some of the profit here. Exactly in the last video, you can find it still in the channel, guys. Now look where we are. We are in the top of that triangle or the trend line. Let's make it like that, a downtrend line like that. When it's being broken like that, go back to test it again here. And here, that one, what it's showing here, it's a very healthy thing. But now, to know it's a real breakout, it's need to come and to break for us the last high, which is here, guys. That's how us we're going to know it's a real breakout, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, I know you are a subscriber. You smash the like button, my friend. Yes, you. Go ahead and smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You know that channel without you, it can grow enough. So helping us. Smashing the like button, it will not take you that much. It's very, very easy step. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Now let's go into see our indicators, guys, what they saying. That one, the last video will be in here, yes or no? And it show us it's being broken. Now it's showing is a fake breakout, guys, yes or no? Look at that. Now what it give you here, a low, a high, and another low. So now here in our indicator it's showing is a downtrend, yes or no? Where we are here at that level where both of them, buyers and sellers, they are equal. Now we need to know if it's going to go back up to break up. That means it will go in higher and maybe it's going to break the last high, or another story from here is going to back down and to break for us lower, guys. Here at that moment us we are not supposed to do nothing, guys. We just need to wait in now, either to break up or either to break down. Everything is too clear, guys, and I'm going to come back to you guys after the daily candle finished. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification, so when putting something new, you're going to be notified, or you can even join us in Telegram, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. The one here, if you remember from here, us we enter long, guys, because we used to have here a price action, we enter long. And here the last video I told you to take some profit. And that one here, if you see it, that one here is that the triangle also we're talking about, guys. It's being broken here, and now he tested. I showed it to you before. Now he testing here. Now for us to know is a real breakout, it need to come and to break for us that last high, which is here. And our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Last time from here we fall down. If you remember last time, us from here we fall down here, and we are in the same level, guys. So now either from here is going to fall down to the oversold, and that is going to indicate that the Bitcoin is going to 10k, guys, or from here is going to go higher, guys, to the overbought area, and that is going to indicate for us the Bitcoin, the first target of it, is it here at 23k or at 25k, guys. So now also you need to make a close eye at those things. Me, I'm telling you guys now, you need to look at it, what the market is going to do in the coming hours, guys, and I'm going to come back to update you guys. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Here in 30 minutes, guys, if you remember that the price action we told you us in the last video to enter for, we told you we got here a wage. If it's breaking here in that zone here, you enter short. It's breaking here, guys, you enter short. Look where you are. And I told you the take profit of you, it needs to be the 200 moving average. Yes or no? That's what I told you in the last video. You can find it still in the channel. And here what did I told you about the 200 moving average, guys? I told you, look at it. It's very, very flat. There is no volume, guys. And here, what is it? The price action giving you here. Look at it. Look at that. It's a cup and handle, guys. And it's breaking for us the lower of that one, guys. Yes or no? Now to calculating the target, it just came here like that. And you bring it from here to here. I think the Bitcoin it will fall down till here, guys, but that one is just an analysis, guys. It might from here, from that level where we are us here, to going up, and it's going to break for us the last high, because as I show you what me I show you before. Let me show it to you what me I told you here, guys. I told you that one, the top of that triangle. May I show you in the 4 hours like that? Don't want to zoom it out because it's going to be too much here in 30 minutes. And look here what happened. That the candle which is it's breaking up. It came up till that level here. Then now look what it done. It touches from here, from the top. Yes or no? So now there is one of two. From here, it will going up and to break for us that last high. And also we're going to know that the trend is changing from downtrend to uptrend like that. To do for another story, from that level where we are here is going to break down, and that one here is going to be a fake breakout, guys. Everything is too clear? You get what I'm saying or no? So now there is one of two. I told you it's going to come to break up like that. To break up, we're going to know that trend is changing, guys, because that candle which is going today is Monday candle, or is going to come inside, and that is going to indicating for us that one is a fake breakout, guys. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator what it's saying, guys. Our indicator is very close to the oversold area, guys. It's not yet, but it's very close. It might from that level, because last time from that level we go higher, guys. Yes or no? It might from here it will going up. You got here a price action, guys. Yes, you got one. Look at it. That one here, you got like a down channel, guys. Now the one, if it's being broken here, you can enter long, guys. Take profit just here, the last high, which is here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, guys. See you when the daily candle finishes. Bye for now, guys.